New camera. It has arrived. Yeah. Oh. Box of Baileys. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh, nice. Nice. Wow. 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 Camera box. I'm hoping everything's in this. Yeah. A little dusty. Nice bag. Really nice bag. Looks like there's a lens here though. Jeez, there's like so much containers in them. Whoa. This thing is tiny. This is a different camera. This is not the same thing. This is not the same camera. This guy screwed me. Had a feeling. That sucks. Got screwed. Oh well. This is going back. That sucks. I just opened this and the face sent me the wrong camera. So this is a camera, not the version that the box is for. So we just had like another camera lying around. Put the wrong box in. I don't know. I don't get this. Hopefully this is the mistake and he grabbed the wrong one. Doesn't make any sense to me. Alright, I'm wrapping this up. And my search continues.